박스 상태가 매우 좋지 않습니다. 허니배죠 청소리 15파운드. 일단은 외피상의 문제는 없어 보입니다. 다시 한번 장기영님께 감사드립니다. 이 두 가지를 사주신, 정말 거금을 들여주신 우리 장기영님께 감사드립니다.
So just to make sure, I don't know if you heard about the new rules.
No, I didn't.
They're going to be in effect in 2 years.
What is that rule?
It's essentially if you don't use your thumb, there is no extra hole. They're going to get rid of extra holes. So
What about weight hole?
that's exactly what I'm talking. In 2 years, right? If you only use 2 fingers and no thumb, you're only allowed to have 2 holes in the ball. But the classical bowler can only have 3 holes in the ball.
Okay, what about pinky?
Pinky, yes.
I'm still using my pinky.
Any hole that is drilled in the ball
I have
must
to use
be used to grip it.
Okay.
So before we drill it, you know, I just want to make sure you understand that.
All right.
You have 2 years.
All right.
The question is, how long are you going to have this ball?
So you mean after 2 years? After
It's
2 years?
August 2020 is when the rule goes into effect. But they're telling
yeah.
people now.
Okay. I think I've been hurt that. So yeah, I think that's fine. That's fine. So
Yeah. How many fingers are we using?
yeah, I'm still using only 2 fingers.
2
Yeah, I'm
fingers.
thumbless bowler. Yeah. Sometimes pinky with intense.
Sometimes pinky.
Yeah.
So now you're going to have to decide. Again, they're giving people 2+ years. So
Yeah, I know. I got it. But I think that's not a big deal for me because I don't think that I'm gonna use this ball for 2 years. So yeah, I think that's fine for now. Okay.
So how many? You want just the 2 fingers?
2 finger and pinky,
pinky.
please. Yeah.
Can I see the most recent ball with the pinky in it, please? If you're gonna continue using pinky, bring at least 1 ball because if you don't,
Oh well, by the way, I wanna make with this one like short hook. I don't wanna like too strong. You know what I mean?
smoother.
A little bit.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
Yep. Because I have only high performance and
Big stuff,
Yeah,
big
big stuff. So is this famous ball? Because all Korean people really love this ball, the Global 900. I can't understand.
It doesn't have as much in this area. It doesn't have as much market share. But the balls they produce, they're very good. It's just they make really good balls. They really do. You just don't see it as often on the television show and on the webcasts. So
Okay.
not as many people are buying it for that reason. But I have a few Global 900s.
Oh,
I
you
know
do?
people that have Global 900s. Very, very, very good pieces.
God bless you.
Thank you. And Global 900, 51% owner, Storm.
Oh.
Storm Products owns 51% of Global 900.
Okay.
So, even though they're in separate plants, they do have some philosophies are the same. Like the Storm box, same format, right? They look the same. Barcode, font, label, design.
Yeah, same label. Yeah.
Even though they're 2 different companies. This one's made in Utah, this one's made in Texas.
Yeah, it is Rotogrip, right?
Correct. Rotogrip and Storm are made. Rotogrip is made by Storm in their plant. Global, not so much. They used to be. There's some pieces that are made in the other plant, but same people. Smooth.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
So I'm putting the pin a little bit closer, farther right. That'll make it a little bit smoother overall, not as violent.
Okay.
Yellow, purple, black, or green.
Yellow, please. Yep, it's all my size.
Good.
Thank you.
So, Thursday, Whatever.
So the Sunday.